Hello guys, and welcome to my biology video tutorial on characteristics of living things. In this video, we're going to look at the 7 characteristics of living things. Number 1, movement or locomotion. Number 2, sensitivity or irritability. Number 3, feeding. Number 4, respiration. Number 5, excretion. Number 6, reproduction. And number 7, growth and development. These are the 7 characteristics of living things. Movement and locomotion. Movement is a change of position. Locomotion is the ability to move, or sometimes it is referred to as movement. Now, for instance, a fish is moving. It has the ability to move because it has fins that allows him to move. And when it's moving, it is changing a position. Just to clarify the definitions up there. Movement is one of the most obvious characteristics of living things. Living things move in a directed and controlled way, or in other words, we say that living things move of their own accord, whereas non-living things, they only move if pushed or pulled by something else. As a result of movement, living things may be able to find food, find water, find shelter, find mate, and avoid enemies. There's a related video on movement in plants, which you can see later. Sensitivity or irritability, sometimes known as the response to stimuli. It is a process by which living organisms are sensitive to and react to the changes in the surroundings. The stimuli or stimulus to which the organism reacts in different specific ways are as follows: light, temperature, touch, water, sound, chemical, etc., etc. In general, animals possess sensory cells which can detect different types of stimuli to which they show quick response. Plants have no sensory cells and response is slow. Only few plants respond quickly, like the plant mimosa. Plants respond to conditions such as light, water, and gravity, which permits growth and food production. Feeding. All living things feed. Food is the material from which organisms obtain energy for life processes such as movement, growth, and repair of body, etc., etc. The scientific study of food and different ways in which organisms obtain energy for life process is called nutrition. There are different types of nutrition, but the two main types are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is the feeding process by which organisms make its own food through the process of photosynthesis, and these are mostly plants. Heterotrophic nutrition is the feeding process by which organisms obtain food from the bodies of other organisms. Example: carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, and etc., etc. Respiration. All living things respire. Respiration is a complex chemical reaction which results in the release of energy from food. These reactions are vital to life because they provide power for numerous chemical and physical processes within the living organism. The oxygen reacts with food substance in the body of an organism, releasing energy and produce water and carbon dioxide. And below is the equation for respiration. Excretion. All living things excrete. Excretion is the removal of waste substance from the body produced by some chemical process occurring. Excretion must not be confused with egestion, which is the removal of substance from the body that have partly or completely digested through the digestive system. In animals, excretory substances include carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, urea, uric acid, and salts. These are generally removed from the body by special excretory organs such as kidney. Plants excrete oxygen during the daytime. And they excrete carbon dioxide during the nighttime through their leaves. So in general, plants don't have a special excretory organ. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of the same species. It may involve sexual or asexual reproduction. Reproduction is essential because no organisms can live forever, and therefore new individuals must be produced in order that each species can continue. Growth and development. All living things grow and develop. Growth is defined as an irreversible increase in the size of an organism, usually accompanied by an increase in the solid material and in the amount of cell material. Development involves the change in the shape and form of an organism as it matures. For example, complete metamorphosis of grasshopper. Thanks for watching my biology video tutorial on characteristics of living things, and hope you like my video, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button below.